Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course. Hospital training. Pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam. Aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka paret. But pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban syukol lahu number. Kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan. Arn riwe kandai pra.
Ka Dr. Ampareen do ka balong ka menteri ketenak ka koi ka kya ka sarkar jilla ha ka pratrik ujumang arhajar arpulai kala her Jurip ya ki jaka ajing sumar bampat la ban Pyntreikam hari boy district ki bakan thup ya ka maternal and child health hospital ka badan ha Umrila ka trauma center ha civil hospital nongpo ka office jong district medical and health officer bar kumju ru ban pet ban khmi ya ki jingduna ha GNM school of nursing ka badan ha paham sim Ya ka menteri la senran lang dau chairman jong ka advisory board ka tanat ka koi ka kya uba mineral bonds iem uba longru MLA jong ka nongpo u MLA jong ka umsning u Dr. Celestine Dingdo u deputy commissioner jong ka Riboy district u Arpit Upadhyaya u DMHO jong ka Riboy district u Dr. P Kharnari lambat ki officer na kitnat sarkar bapher
So this case is under control? Jasmine, how are you? An accident and I break my leg. You have a doctor? Doctor's there? Available on you? You're the author. I'm just finding out. In case I meet with an accident like this, I should come here and you should help me, right?
MS,
So
keep
you are
running.
capable of
I'll stay there.
Madam MS. Hello. Beautiful place. Very nice. You like the one to
Water will come down, the water will come down. That means they just occupy the student rooms.
So you are aware that we've just come from an inspection. I am accompanied by the chairperson of the Health Advisory Committee along with my DHSs who have both attended this program with us. We are of the view that after having come for the ground inspection, we will have to take some more time in operating the MCH hospital. So that will take a bit of time because constructions more or less are all done. But we will need power supply, water supply. So all of this will slow down and take a toll on the actual operational capacity of the uh, child and woman hospital, MCH. So we are now going to take a review again in the month of July, on the 10th of July. Certain deadlines have been given to various departments like the MECL, the PHE, the water pumping. So we've taken this entire holistic view that these are a few things that need to be put in place. We're going to do that, and we're going to review this matter on the 20th of July, and then we will see what are the next things that we need to do. Your trauma center is a very, very vital intervention, especially because it is strategically located on that highway. Very, very essential service will be given to the people of the state of Meghalaya if that becomes operational. We have a few hiccups there. First hiccup is that right now, post-COVID, it was used as a COVID center. Then post-COVID, we have the DMNHO office also there. So we are now constructing a new facility for the DMNHO's office. That is slated to complete sometime in the month of December. We are fast tracking the physical progress. Right now it's about 55 to 60%. We hope that in another 2 to 3 months, if weather permits and if we have this kind of a weather, we should be able to finish that construction. The moment we relocate the DMNHO office to its own location, we are immediately freed of the 2 floors, which will then assist. Right now, we are already seeing work swing on the operation theatres. They will have 2 operation theatres. RAMs are more or less ready. Equipment will be tendered ASAP. We will not wait for the building to be completed. We have decided today with the Honorable MLA, who is also the chairman of the advisory committee, to immediately make sure that we have the tendering procedures already fast-tracked. So more or less, these 2 facilities, we should see some substantial progress by the month of December of this. Please wait for the time period that is required. You cannot force anything to happen extraordinarily, because see, you have a trauma center, you need to have the specialists. There is a system to even recruit. So now we have a lot of problems. We need to figure out whether the roster will affect that. So we need to also take that decision. So it is not something that can be done in a short span of time or at a snap of a finger. We apologize for the late start or the delay of these projects. But once they happen, then they will be good centers for services in the healthcare facility system of the state of Meghalaya. We can give you this assurance that I don't know whether previous ministers have come or not, but I am here. Our chairperson of the advisory committee is here, and we can tell you that we are as serious as you can imagine, because we would like to see these operational at least before Christmas of this year. I hope that we'll be able to achieve these targets. We will have to look at means and ways for HR, filling in of the HR posts and all that, because there are still other things also that need to be taken into consideration. I do not see why that should not happen. So therefore, we are having a 2-month review of this. Every 2 months, we'll keep pushing these 2 projects and hope that they will happen and see the light of day. We will dovetail both. We will have the old facility at the civil hospital functioning directly at the MCH hospital, because that is a specialized center for gynae and obs. So this will be good for the district and for the state if we segregate. And facilities in civil hospital will likely only cater to not very complicated normal deliveries.
Nangkong ay penpau yung semungu ya Honorable Minister Dr. Ampareen Ejel Bendo ibala pelai ya kapor ban wan agni kesgi kumju ru ya ki official jongka health department ki bala chimkhia ban ya sendan lang agni kesgi na ka benta ban pentikna ya ki Pyntreikam no jongki ni ki health institution hapo ka Riboy district ka bi ki jong ka banangkong ka ngila lik nem step gede ka MCH hospital hang ti hapo Ampareen umsling kabar gede ka trauma center hang ni hanong po kabalai ka long nagam ta pendep no ka office jong di WHO hang ni hapo Riboy district bat ka basaw mentangi don hang ni hapo UGNM nursing school ban pej ban kemi nam tangi jing dom kam di kini baro south li kini ki health institution ki ba kong san bah ki ba kata ke district baro ka we kum kan ke GNM nursing school hang ni la sedang la function la dep ban inaugurate Henry mta ka ba kong san bah ke MCH hospital bat kene ka trauma center bat ka office jong di WHO kumba madam ila dep ban pencai ba sisin beng la yo ban shift ya ka office di WHO ha ka jaka ka office ka batmai ka badon hang ni hanong poi ka bamot ba tu building jong trauma center baro la long ban penon kam ka space kene ka tai bat ban ta ka jing tre ka chat bat kum u nong mi khat na kene ka constituency bat kum u shaman apa ka health advisory board jong ka jelah bro koi nin simkhia om tang ha riboy en ha ga jelah bro koi but specifically mta ka sngi apo riboy ka bangidam ang ni ngin simkhia ka bala ga jing angnu jong pai ba nong ba kini ki health institution ki deban Pyntreikam no nomar bahaba lala ban Pyntreikam kini mod ki long ki asset jong ka state kata ka de ka ba kongsan ba ngi scam ha ka jing kristom jong i madam i honorable minister jong ba da ka jing support ka jong u Menteri Rang Ba Abdul Buram, Chief Minister Jeng Jelaru, Uba, Ai Jeng Trilang Naga Port Support, ada banyak keren banyak slok ngi scam ba. Kalau ikat bala, namla ban le simit ban pendep Henry Ailat ya ngiru ngi trirkat kat ba kini ki kam ki badang sateng apo ka tenan yang ko ka kya in la ban pun urlong kloi ki nam tag jumanto jeng pai ba jong ka nong po bronsi pat ka Riboy district i paro.